Hey there, snack enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the hottest snacks in town, Hippeas Chickpea Puffs. Now, if you're on the hunt for a guilt-free, vegan snack that's also incredibly tasty, look no further than Hippeas Chickpea Puffs. These little puffs are making waves in the snack world, and for good reason. They come in a variety of flavors, but today we're focusing on the vegan white cheddar. They're gluten-free, vegan, and packed with 3 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber per serving. Let's talk flavor. The vegan white cheddar Hippeas are delightfully cheesy with a satisfying crunch. They're not overly salty, which makes them perfect for snacking any time of day. Made from chickpea flour, rice flour, and seasoned with natural flavors, these puffs are a healthier alternative to traditional cheese puffs. Plus, they're USDA organic certified and contain at least 95% organic ingredients. The packaging is not only eye-catching but also part of Hippeas' commitment to sustainability. They're part of the Climate Pledge Friendly program, emphasizing their dedication to reducing their environmental impact. Whether you're enjoying these solo, pairing them with a sandwich, or even using them as a topping for salads, Hippeas Chickpea Puffs are a versatile snack option that won't disappoint. How do Hippeas stack up against other chickpea snacks? Well, their texture is spot on, light and airy, yet satisfyingly crunchy. Plus, the vegan white cheddar flavor hits all the right notes without being overpowering. Wrapping up, if you're looking for a snack that's not only delicious but also aligns with your dietary preferences and values, I highly recommend giving Hippeas Chickpea Puffs a try. They're the perfect blend of flavor, crunch, and guilt-free snacking. That's it for today's review on Hippeas Chickpea Puffs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy snacking!